Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to edit and customize your reports. Let's get started. When generating your reports, there may be things you want to add to or extract from the report. Your reports might be intended for different viewers, such as internal associates, external partners, and clients. Once you've generated your report, you can edit or create a summary, as well as adding tables, bullet points, comments, and other things that you need to include in your report. In addition, we can modify the map in case we need to be zoomed in for the report. From there, we can see the index pages, followed by the image pages that include the asset overview image with a zoomed in image that shows the individual annotations of the faults with the severity levels, the type of faults, and any comments. Additionally, we can also edit the image pages. For example, perhaps we don't want the date taken to be shown, or maybe the altitude. We can remove items by unchecking the boxes on the editor. Then just recreate to make the changes, and you can see those items are no longer in the report. We also have the Google Maps link so we can see live on our tablet or phone the actual location of the fault compared to our current position. And further, we have the asset IDs. That is, if we have imported our TIS data that correlates to our tower IDs as well. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.